Crash Courses. Sandra, today's crash course is on fossilized fools, and frankly, I'm mortified. Who are we to call these old fossils fools? It's downright rude.
Fuel. Today's crash course is about fossil fuel, sir. As in trillions of living things dying and eventually turning into fuel that we burn in our cars, homes, and power plants.
Well, that makes way more sense. Sweet jelly donuts, that's it. I have no choice but to go out and show kids how to drill for oil.
You have a choice, sir. You could just stay right here and just talk about the fast facts after we show them.
Sandra, that would be fine, except you forgot about one little thing.
And what's that, sir?
Sandra, I've got no time to answer that. I've got to go wildcatting for oil. Run the fast facts.
Oh, boy.
Fact number 1. Fossil fuels currently provide most of the energy that people in the world use for transportation, heating, and electricity. Number 2. Fossil fuels are non-renewable. That means that we can use them all up. And number 3. When fossil fuels are burned, they produce carbon dioxide and other chemicals. Sandra, this is the spot. Okay, just give me a minute to get a crew in here to set up a drilling rig. Woo! I did it. Gosh, that was so hard. And all the permits, and it's so hot. I mean, who knew drilling a mile down was so tough?
I did.
What? Why didn't you warn me?
Because you wouldn't listen?
Oops, sorry. Did you say something?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, good chat, Sandra. I gotta go see if I've hit the mother lode. Sandra, prepare to be amazed. When I pull this lever, oil will emerge from the... Hold on, let me see what's wrong.
Sir, that's a horrible idea.
Oh, Sandra, you're such a... Well, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.